What's good, everybody? It's your boy, the Prince Machiavelli. I'm back once again with another video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. And in today's video, we're going to get into how to build out a tech pack and how to do it the right way and the correct way to send over to your screen printers. First and foremost, the most important part of the tech pack is the cover. The cover is the first sheet that the screen printer will see. Right here we have the style sheet, the date that we made this tech pack, the collection that it's for, the vendor, the supplier style of the garment that we're using, the product info, which is screen printed, and the artwork details. On the second page is the colorways page, and that's basically a breakdown of the colorways of the garment and the colors on the shirt. So if you look closely on the colorway, it says white, the color block is white, the artwork on the front is black screen print, and on the back it says various because we did a CIMYK print, and that's basically mixturing a bunch of colors together to come out with a multi-color print on a white base for us. Next up on the tech pack, we have the print measurements. This is probably the most important part of the tech pack to the screen printer due to the fact that he needs to know exactly what is the height and the width of the graphic that we are putting on the garments. As you can see on mine, it was 1.5 inches width and 16.5 inches width on the back of the shirt. Once you have the measurements in order, now that brings us over to the fourth sheet, and that is the print positioning. This is very crucial for the screen printer because he needs to see where the artwork is going to be positioned on the garment. If you can look at my example, from the neck down to the seam is 3.5 inches length, and then even on the back, it's 2 inches from the bottom, and that's where the graphic is going to end at. Last but not least, the fifth and final sheet is the design sheet, and that's basically just showing the artworks that are being used on the graphic. It's very important that when you send over the artworks to your screen printer as well, that it's not just in the AI, but it's also just in the PNG, because different screen printers like to work off different files. For everyone who has stuck through the video this long, if you wanted a free t-shirt mock-up pack, I got those for every single one of you guys. They're down below in my link. You can put your brand inside of the inside label. These are very clean t-shirt mock-ups that I wanted to give to all you guys for free for sticking through the video. I also wanted to say thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this. Also, comment below on any topic you guys want me to talk about. And last but not least, go check out my Instagram of my brand. It's pretty dope, and I think you guys will like it. That's it. Machiavelli's out. Peace.